Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So finally Esko diversity challenge is here. I will talk all the things which you have to know about this challenge, and you can also follow my this blog which you will find in the video description. Okay, and I tell you all the things for this challenge and who can apply and eligibility criteria. Okay, so watch video till the end so that you can easily understand. Okay, so let's get started. Okay friend, if you like my video, please do like and share with your friend. Okay friend, here you can see the company name is Esko, and it's a hiring for the 2020 graduates who can passing it 2018 and 2019. Also can prefer this salary 6.5 LPA, which is a good, as you can see here the 6.5 salary is very much higher than. Okay, last year to apply is here you can see all the details about the challenge, and the challenge format is here you can see it's a challenge which is occurring on the Hacker Earth platform. Okay, here you can you can also prefer this for the better understanding. Okay, after here you can see click here option, and you can this will open this page will open. Here is a KC Esko diversity challenge 2020 graduate. Okay, so you can see the last closest date is 11th of December. Okay, so here you can see the position is software engineer training, salary 6.5 CTC. Okay, and the offer candidate to join the next 1 to 2 months. Here is a joining for the 1 and 2 months. Okay, female candidates eligibles BE BTech MCA with graduation year of 2020 can apply. Okay, CGPA 60% and above. CTC here job location is a Bangalore. Okay, total opening in 7, and you can also read about the guidelines and the sample. Okay, so here is it. Okay, so wait for my next video. I will uploading very soon for all of you, so that make sure you hit the bell icon so that when I uploaded the video you can you will go to notify you for very first. Okay, so that you can easily register for that. Okay, तो अपना ख्याल रखें, अच्छे से रहें। जय हिंद, जय भारत।